Giraffe uses device and system checks in the background to decide if your phone is compatible. So when it says it can't detect your device, it usually means the app can't read your Android or iOS identifiers properly, not that your phone is actually unsupported. By the end, you'll know exactly why Giraffe fails to detect your device, and the specific steps that usually get it working again in a few minutes. First thing to check is the simplest one that causes this more than anything else: outdated app data. Giraffe relies on fresh device permission data, and if the app cache gets corrupted, detection breaks instantly. Go into your phone settings, open apps, find Giraffe, and clear cache. Don't clear data yet. Then force stop the app and reopen it. If that doesn't change anything, the next issue is usually permissions. Giraffe needs access to device identifiers and activity tracking depending on your Android version. If those permissions are missing or disabled, the app just sees your phone as unknown. Open app permissions and make sure everything related to device info and activity tracking is enabled, then restart the app again. Another common cause is VPNs or ad blockers. Giraffe system checks often fail when your IP address is masked or rotated too often. If you're using a VPN, turn it off completely and relaunch the app. Also disable private DNs or ad blocking apps temporarily because they can block the verification requests the app sends in the background. If the device still isn't detected, the next step is checking for conflicting installs. This happens when the app was installed, uninstalled, and reinstalled multiple times, or restored from a backup. In that case, the clean fix is uninstalling Giraffe completely, restarting your phone, then reinstalling it from the official store instead of restoring a backup version. One more thing that gets overlooked is system updates. Older Android versions sometimes fail device attestation checks used by reward apps like Giraffe. If your system update is pending, install it, and reboot. If nothing works after all of that, the issue is usually on the account side, not the device. At that point, contacting Giraffe support through the app is the only real fix, because they can reset the device binding on their servers. Quick summary: clear cache first, fix permissions second, disable VPN or blockers third. Then reinstall clean if needed. Do this in order, not randomly, because most detection issues are solved in the first two steps alone. If this helped, like and subscribe for more fix guides like this.